The Porsche is dead. As many of you know, we have two cars on this channel, the Porsche and the Golf. And both were running just fine until a few days ago where...
engine exploded.
And to elaborate on that, he was driving the car normally, and then all of a sudden, loss of power, puff of blue smoke, and all the coolant is in the oil. No coolant and milkshake in the oil. The engine is probably kaput, but there's too much history in this old girl, so we're gonna try and revive her. But because there's potentially coolant in the engine, we need to drain all the fluids out because we don't want anything rusting. Now, while Ralph jacks the car up, let me explain to you how engine failure works. Now, your typical engine has two main parts, the head and the block. The block houses your pistons, and the head houses the valves. These two parts are separated by a head gasket. Now, when this head gasket fails, coolant or oil can leak into the combustion chamber or into each other. And in our case, that's what we think happened here. Now, there could be a bunch of things that went wrong with this. It could have been the head gasket. It could have been a cracked block.
Yes, which is also in the head.
It could have been the oil cooler.
Yes.
Which basically is where the coolant and the oil gets as close as possible for that heat exchange to happen. But we need to make sure it's not the head gasket. So we need to remove the head, which involves taking off pretty much everything else, right?
Mm-hmm. You take off the air filter, MAF, throttle body, air intake, fuel rail, radiator fans.
Just to say, this isn't the fuel rail.
This is not the fuel rail. That is the fuel rail. Idiot. Distributor cap, then the spark plug wires, the injectors.
And I think the best part, these absolutely rusted to shit exhaust manifold bolts.
We are gonna break every single one of them.
And I'm sure you guys have noticed by now, we have zero experience doing this. So it'll be the first time for us, and probably the first time for you too, if you're new to rebuilding engines, which I'm assuming most of you are. The flow, take the funnel away.
Oh! Shit.
Oh no. That's a milkshake.
Bro, it's everywhere on the floor.
I don't know. Is that milkshake or does your oil just look like that?
Bro, are you kidding me? Look how viscous it is.
That's chalky milk. Okay, well this is not a good start.
Nope, it is not.
We made a slight mess and we haven't even drained like 10% of the milkshake. I really don't understand what you're trying to do now. Just making the puddle as big as possible. If this is what our oil change looks like, I have very high hopes in our ability to rebuild an engine. So the oil draining is at a stable situation, and we found no metal on the bolt magnet, right?
Yep.
No metal, which is a great sign. There, let's take a look at the color of this. So this is the milkshake.
Yeah, this is what came out of me today morning. Yeah, like this. Like look at the
Stop.
That's not normal.
Apologies if this is triggering anyone. Like, this is the most down bad thing I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, I'm done.
The good thing about this oil is that it seems to be mostly oil. There's definitely a bit of coolant in this, or else it wouldn't have had this milkshakey consistency. But believe it or not, the oil that's in this car actually looks very similar to this. It's like quite gray because of all the additives. Because there was no metal on the magnetic drain plug is also a good sign. But for the foreseeable future, we're gonna be working on this car a lot. Cracking the engine open, taking a look at the head gasket, replacing it if it's broken, and seeing what actually went wrong with this engine. The oil is pretty much drained, and so are we. This is probably gonna turn into quite the series, and I really wanted to bring back my long form videos because I've been putting a lot more attention into shorts, and I wanna change that. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much, and especially if you got to this stage of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.